I like to dedicate this course to people that have taken time out of their lives to clean up oiled shores, often under challenging conditions, be it foul weather or the hazards from the heavy oiling. There are several objectives for this course on basic safety for coastal oil spills. First is to set the context and scope to paint a picture of what one might have to deal with regarding work setting and the oil itself. Second is to describe the protocols that government and industry have established regarding their responsibilities to you, as well as your responsibilities during cleanup of oiled shores. Lastly is to ensure you know how not to get injured and how to protect your health. The overall goal is to foster good safety practice and attitudes. This course addresses just the basic hazards and safety factors applicable to shore-based working environment along British Columbia's coast and to exposure to oil itself. For those tasked with shoreline cleanup, hazards pertain only to manual work such as using shovels, rakes, and water hoses. There are other safety courses that are tactic or transport specific, such as using power equipment or traveling to work sites by helicopters and boats. This course is modular and progressive in its structure, from showing what a major oil spill looks like, knowing safety obligations, recognizing coastal zone dangers, staying safe and healthy, to addressing potential injuries from manual oil removal equipment. This course on basic safety is structured for those that could encounter oiled shores. These responders can be a technical specialist undertaking shore assessment, a field supervisor that oversees and directs overall shore cleanup in a designated area, a team leader of a cleanup crew, or the hands-on tool workers themselves undertaking manual removal of stranded oil from shores. A key message that each of these people that have a role or assignment has taken them into an oil-contaminated shore on British Columbia's rugged, remote coastal environment. This poses hazards that must be addressed. This course becomes a prerequisite before being assigned and deployed. The course can be delivered in advance or during the incident's safety orientation process by a qualified instructor. Oil spill safety is a two-way street. Those that dispatch you or hire you for spill response have responsibility to train, equip, inform, and supervise safe practices. You, on the other hand, have an obligation to comply. If dispatched prior to incident management being established, such as at the initial phase of an oil spill, say to undertake field observations or deploy nearshore booms as a local response, then safety is founded on advanced training and established standard operating procedures. If assigned under an incident management system, then safety is further founded on safety orientation, assignment-specific instructions, and a process of safety briefings and communications. The images and videos provided in this course are to offer the best representation of what a major oil spill and shoreline clean operations would look like along British Columbia's coast. They show both best safety practice and sometimes less so. That is, what to do and what not to do. This course is rich in video presentations. There is extracted footage from British Columbia's basic marine oil spill cleanup safety course that shows what a real incident of a spill of persistent oil would look like and feel like to a workforce cleaning shores. State of Alaska's video, Spill Tactics for Alaska Responder Safety, is an instructional course on worker safety. They are complementary. British Columbia's CoastSmart provides an excellent example of coastal hazards one might encounter when working on shore. Hazardous Waste Operations and Emergency Response, otherwise known as HAZWOPER, is a United States requirement. it's not a requirement in Canada. However, this course covers all the different elements of the HAZWOPER for low or below exposure limits, typically taught for people that are about to go out and clean up shorelines using just manual methods.